Yo, what is up guys, Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at this phone case by Casekoo. So Casekoo reached out and sent over this phone case for review, and it's called the Magic Stand. And I'll talk about why I think you guys should pick this up, and a special program that Casekoo has, but with that said, let's get started. So this is the Magic Stand case. It's basically their Shot case, but it has a MagSafe stand on the back. The Magic Stand comes in a bunch of different colors, but we received the smoky black and clear one. And here I got the iPhone 12 version. And this case is compatible with iPhone 12 and up to 14. And this is the first case I've seen so far that has this seamless, invisible design for a stand that's also integrated with the case. So what I mean by that is that the stand is completely flushed with the case, and while you're holding it, you don't really realize it's there, or the stand is not bulging out either. I really like these types of phone case designs because I love having a nice slim phone case that has this type of functionality, but doesn't add more width to it than it has to, especially if you're like me who puts their phone inside their pockets. And it's very simple to use. All you have to do is pull the top tab down and you can adjust the stand however you want. The stand can hold from different angles from 40 degrees up to 120 degrees. And you can use the stand in both horizontally or vertically. The stand has N52 magnets on it, so it's really strong. And since they made this stand MagSafe, it can use any type of MagSafe compatible accessories like chargers, wallets, portable chargers, and car phone holders. And not only that, since they're strong magnets, you can pretty much put this anywhere that is magnetic, like your fridge. And if you guys are scared that if this stand will break over time, Casekoo tested that it can withstand opening this more than 30,000 times without causing any kind of damage, so no need to worry there. And there's a bunch of different scenarios of why you would need this Magic Stand, because it's great for watching YouTube videos or Netflix. You can even watch videos while you're cooking, and you could even use this for live streaming. Also, if you need to record yourself or just doing a FaceTime or conference call as well. There's a bunch of ways to use this stand, and I'm sure there's at least one use for all of us. So aside from the Magic Stand, the case itself is really good. The case has very good protection and it would withstand almost any type of drops, and it has raised bezels for the screen and the camera as well. The case itself is very soft and smooth like silicone, but also durable and hard enough around the edges, especially the corners. So I feel very confident my phone won't break if I drop my phone with this case. So Casekoo partner up with Klarna so that you can pay the same price but also have more time to pay it. Klarna allows you to make 3 to 4 equal payments with no interest as long as you pay on time. So if you look at the breakdown for this Magic Stand case, all you would have to do is pay $11.25 every 2 weeks. So shop now, pay over time with Klarna. And also, these cases have a lifetime guarantee, so Casekoo will replace your product at no additional cost except for shipping fees. They really stand by their products and believe that their quality is at the highest standard. So what do you guys think about this case? I'm definitely going to be daily driving this case for a while, since this is something that I've been looking for quite some time. And if you guys are interested, check out the links down below. And that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.